wasn't what you'd call blushing flower. As a matter of fact, she arranged it by the hour. The day she died, the neighbors came to sneak up. Well, that's what comes from too much pills and liquor. But when I saw her laid out like a queen, she was the happiest corpse I'd ever seen. I think of Elsie to this very day. I remember how she turned to me and say, what good is sitting